Are you gonna bark all day, little doggy, or are you gonna bite?
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Movie Dogs. We have a special exclusive for you guys, and we're going to be discussing a quick little review on Hardcore Henry. So, who we have here? It's only two of the horsemen tonight. So
that's what we need, really.
Exactly.
That's really all we need.
That's all we fucking need.
Yeah, we should just change the whole show to two horsemen.
Exactly. Maybe we should have a spin-off.
Yeah, I like that.
Fucking work. Yeah. All right, so it's Marcus, a.k.a. Mr. 1-2, the Haitian sensation.
And Darlin, fucking Darlin, like always.
Darlin, like always. Yes. So, as I was saying, with Movie Dogs, we have the brewski system. So, it's all 1 to 5 brewskis, 5 brewskis being the highest beverage that you could get, lick it up a bit. And then 1 meaning that, it was a bit daft, it was a bit, it sucked ass pretty much.
Flop. Nobody wants to watch it.
But if it really sucked, that means it's a non-alcoholic beverage. So, yeah, that shit really sucked. But, Hardcore Henry, starting off. Let's start us off, fucking Darlin. What do you think?
Man, you know what? I'm going to give it 4 brewskis. This thing was amazing. It was a shoot 'em up, beat 'em up.
Yeah.
It was a great movie. You kept your adrenaline up the entire time.
Damn sure did.
This was an unexpected, unpredictable journey. Like a straight up adventure that you're in the seat of because you see it all. It's just ridiculous, man. I loved it. There's not a dull moment. This thing has more turns than a maze. You think it's going to go one way, went completely the opposite way. I fucking loved it. I'm 4 brewskis, man. 4 brewskis. What about you, man?
Actually, I'm going to have to run with 4.5 brewskis.
Okay.
Because, I feel like, they could turn it around and then make it like the future of gaming.
Okay, I can see it that way, too. I mean, if we were wearing Oculus Rift,
exactly.
that would be, the epitome of what a great movie would be. Because, we would be completely in it.
Exactly.
There wouldn't be somebody sitting next to me. It would just be part of the film as well.
And that's what I'm talking about. Because, it was just a pure adrenaline rush.
Yeah.
Especially when he was doing the parkour.
Hardcore parkour.
Oh, my gosh. You literally felt like you were climbing the fucking building.
Yeah, I was. Because I'm not in shape to do it, but in that movie, I was. I was climbing, I was jumping, going through buildings, doing it all.
Hell yeah. So, for me, it's definitely a 4.5 brewski. Honestly, it's a great film if you just want to see, a hardcore shoot-'em-up / blood splattering all over the fucking place, dismemberments, all of those things. But if you're looking for a story plot, romantic it's definitely not there. There's no story plot. But the thing is that when you're watching the movie, you're so immersed in it, you don't even give a fuck that there is no story.
Exactly. You're just this is ridiculous. I cannot believe this is happening, and it just keeps going.
It really does. It's non-stop from beginning to the fucking end.
Yeah.
It's just fucking crazy.
And it's an hour and 30 minutes, give or take. And so it doesn't feel like it's too long, but it's not short there where you're like, oh, well, it could have done more. It was the perfect length.
It really was. It really was.
It's a good show, So, what else do we have now?
One thing I do have to talk about is the fucking score.
Yeah, the soundtrack?
Yeah, the soundtrack for the movie was fucking amazing.
This is my jam.
Exactly.
Everyone knows that Queen is going to be on there because, obviously commercial.
Oh, yeah.
But then there was a moment when in the movie the song came on and you were like, this is it.
Exactly.
This is it. This is what's going down. Yeah.
Yeah, that was one of the highlights of that last scene though. Was when Queen came on because I was like, it just reminded me of fucking Shaun of the Dead.
Okay.
Yeah. Fucking whacking the zombies, but I'm getting a little sidetracked, but still.
I'm not gonna say any spoilers here, but fucking Jimmy.
Yeah.
Jimmy. Fucking Jimmy.
Fucking Jimmy. Yeah.
So I'm sticking with my 4 brewskis. I love the film. You guys should go check it out. It's
Definitely.
a great beat 'em up, slash 'em up, shoot 'em up. Great movie.
Hell yeah, and it's still a 4.5 brewski for me. me, you definitely got to go see it. I'm definitely a hardcore fan at this point. You know, fucking Jimmy, he fucking kind of stole the show. You know,
I would say so. Yeah.
you know, so you know that was just a quick little podcast for you guys. You know, a little snippet for Hardcore Henry. You know, definitely you guys should check it out if you want to see like a hardcore shoot 'em up. Just go into it with an open mind, because honestly, it's the first of its kind.
Yeah.
You know, a movie
POV.
like that. Exactly.
It's all shot POV.
Exactly. The whole thing is POV. So you literally feel like you're there doing all those things.
Yeah. Oh, for those who don't know,
Yeah.
point of view.
Yes, exactly. It's point of view for those of you who don't know. But if you watch porn, you definitely know what a POV is. So, you know, that's going to be the end of the podcast for you guys.
There you go. You had your dog shot. You know, take a little shot.
Exactly, you know.
Had a little bit, but you know,
Yeah.
not enough to fully fuck you up. So you got a dog shot. That you got.
Exactly. So, and also, if you guys want to reach out to us, make sure that you like us on Instagram,
Facebook,
and
Twitter.
on Twitter. You know, you gotta put out your hashtags out there. You know, go and see the movie Dogs. You'll definitely like the movie, like I said. So go and check it out and like us on Facebook. And
All right, guys.
especially if you like free shit too.
Y'all take it easy. Come check us out.
All right, peace.
We came, we saw, we kicked its ass.